If you've ever used Monday Service Enterprise for ticketing, intake, or request management, there is a feature many teams have now been waiting for. You can now create multiple portals under a single account. Previously, every Monday account had one centralized portal for all submissions. Now, enterprise users can build up to 500 unique portals, each with separate branding, content, form layouts, and user access. This change gives support teams more flexibility, and it opens up new ways to manage internal and external requests. In your workspace area, click Add Portal. Give the portal a unique slug or name, and Monday.com will generate a new portal interface instantly. Each portal exists independently under the same account. From here, you can design the portal for a specific audience. For example, you can create portals for separate departments, client groups, product lines, or service channels. Each portal can have its own layout, forms, instructions, branding, and resource content. This means teams no longer have to share a single intake space, and users will only see what is relevant to them. Multiple portals works well for IT versus facility support, HR requests versus legal requests, client-specific submission portals, tiered support queues, vendor or partner-facing portals, and different brands or business units. This feature brings structure and scalability to service operations inside of Monday.com. All portals sit under one account and can be managed from the portal workspace. You can continue to add content, adjust configuration, and control access without impacting the main account portal. If you want more Monday service workflows, tutorial, and enterprise feature walkthroughs, subscribe to the channel. And if your organization wants workflow magic to implement multi-portal service operations or build automated ticket routing on Monday.com, click the link below to schedule a free discovery call. Thanks for watching.